How to order Chipotle online for pickup. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search chipotle.com. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply scroll down. After you scroll down, you'll find all the options. Select the one you prefer and press on order. After you've pressed on order, you will be able to choose the ingredients you want. Select all the options which you prefer and then press on add to bag. Then give this meal a name, enter your meal name and press on save. After you've pressed on save in here, on the right side you'll find pick up from, click on it. And then click on pick up and enter your city, state or zip. After you have entered, you will find different options nearby. Select the one you prefer. After you've selected the pickup destination, click on pick up here. Then scroll down and select pickup time and pickup info, which is your name, phone number, and email. After that, you can scroll down, you'll find order details, you'll find what is your total. You can pay with Apple Pay or simply submit order and then pay later. And this is how to order Chipotle online for pickup. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.